Let's get to cleaning. All right, let's do these drawers next. I'm scared. Yeah, child, it's a mess in here. It gotta get done. I'm a little overwhelmed. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. All right, homegirls, we're getting this kitchen done today because I need to declutter every single inch of this kitchen, including the pantry, which is gonna be the next episode. I'm actually gonna be doing like a whole DIY project for the pantry because I am tired of the wire racks in the pantry. We are gonna build out our own custom like little shelves. Make sure you stay tuned for that. But for now, we just need to organize the kitchen. I need like more systems and just to really clean out the just cabinets and drawers and to create some new systems and spaces, especially because our family is growing here. We have Miss Nova. We just need a new type of vibe and structure in this kitchen. We're gonna do that today. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I have really not been motivated to declutter this kitchen because I know it's gonna be a lot. But honestly, the best way to just get it done is just to start. We got a lot of work to do, y'all, so let me stop rambling, procrastinating, and let's get into it. Okay, we're gonna start on this side first. I feel like this side is gonna be pretty easy. I just need to go through and wipe down all of like the cabinets inside. Again, this is already pretty organized, but everything needs a good wipe down, okay? Like I said, some of this stuff have not been wiped down since I honestly have moved into this house. Yeah, so we're gonna wipe it down, okay? We here, but like I said, this cabinet is pretty clean for the most part, so I'm gonna wipe down everything in all the cabinets at top and then just place everything back in, and that'll kind of get my momentum started. And of course, I gotta get a playlist popping because I'm not about to clean in silence. Alexa, play Kitchenada Radio.
Here's a station based on Kitchenada on Amazon Music.
Find the whole cocktail set in this like drawer. This is a good thing about cleaning out. You forget the stuff that you actually have. And I remember when this was gifted to us. This may go on the bar card, low key. But yeah, this probably does need to go on the bar card because how it's structured and it has like little wood panels set up. I don't know how I would set it up, but I'm gonna actually keep this out to make this functional. I forgot that I had this, see? That kind of leaves this like cabinet a little empty. If I find something else that I feel like could probably go up here, I'll put it up here. I'm just trying to like make sure I store stuff properly and just use all the storage that we have because we have a lot of storage in this kitchen. This kitchen, 10 out of 10 with the storage. I forgot about this cabinet low key. This cabinet like gives me a lot of anxiety. I'm not gonna lie, just look at it. First and foremost, the builder like did some silly stuff with just how they have like the shelves essentially. So I don't know like in their mind why they just didn't make everything even across the board instead of like making this wide little gap right here and then just having these small spaces in between. Every time I think about it, it pisses me off. So I don't want to talk about it too much. But anyway, I feel like some of this stuff is seasonal, like this little pumpkin thing, and then I have more like shakers and stuff up here actually that now that I'm looking at it, I have like random stuff that I know I'm not gonna really use on a regular basis, so I may move some of the stuff in here and just leave some of the space open. I see stuff I need to get rid of, so yeah, this one we gotta put in some work. Drawers next. I'm scared. That's what I'm really scared of. I feel like these drawers are a little dirty and a little TLC, so we're gonna do those really quick. I'm making my big vacuum just to kind of help me actually get all the crumbs and stuff out because it's gonna be a pain to try to wipe everything out of these drawers. So y'all, yeah, these drawers are dirty. I'm embarrassed. Let's clean them. Let's get them done. All right, we got Big Bertha and let's get to cleaning. Yeah, child, it's a mess in here. It gotta get done. I'm a little overwhelmed. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. dishwasher, I got a couple of things from Amazon to organize the cabinets below. I'm gonna show you guys. First up is this like 10 divider expandable pot and pan organizer. I think I got 2 versions of this because I wanted to see like which one would be useful, but I may use both of them. I don't know. I think this is the little organizer for the pot lids. So the thing is, I wanted an organizer that could kind of hang on the door of the cabinet. So it came with these like adhesive strips and little things that you can like essentially stick on your cabinet, so on the door of your cabinet, and then you hang organizer on the adhesive hook. So your lids just hang on there, and so when you open the actual cabinet, you can just grab your lid and go, because that's what I be needing sometimes. Like sometimes I just want to grab a quick lid. So how I have my organization right now, it's functional to an extent, but I could use more space to put just more like dishware down there. I don't have a ton of dishware either. Like I try to keep things pretty minimal for the most part, but again, I just want more space just in case so I can grow into the space as we expand our family. So that is that. So that's what I have for under the cabinets. So we need to get to organizing and pulling everything out, wiping everything down, because I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of low-key a little dirty down there. It's a little borderline disgusting. So yeah, let's do that now. Okay, we're on day 3 of doing this kitchen declutter, and I'm gonna finish it today. I thought I was gonna finish it last night, it just didn't happen. I was tired. I realized that this kitchen needed a lot more decluttering and just kind of TLC than I realized. We are going to finish up the spice drawer because I had to actually put those jars in the dishwasher. And then I need to move over to the beverage area, which I have a couple drawers that just, there's a lot of crap. There's a lot of stuff in it and they just need to go. It just need to go. Okay, we're finally in the bar area, and like I said, I've been dreading this part of the kitchen because the drawers, do y'all see these drawers? They're a mess. They're a hot mess, but it's okay. A lot of these things in these drawers need to be thrown away anyway, or just need to be just like more organized and a better system, so we're gonna do that. I have a couple bins that I think I'm going to use for the drawers. My game plan is to clean out the first drawer, which is where my teas, my coffee, like all of the little mitts and things I have live. And then the second drawer, I need to be kind of like my little vitamin station, because I take a lot of vitamins and just different little supplements, and I need to like have it downstairs to like just remember to actually take them. So we're gonna make that kind of like a little vitamin station, on top of maybe even like a backstop drawer as well too. So I want to double those drawers. The third drawer, I'm thinking just to be like any type of storage of like random things that I may need. But I do need a drawer for Nova. I feel like Nova needs a drawer for like all of her like little like food, her treats, everything that she just really needs that is more like edible for her. I would want it in the drawer, only because me and Nova spent a lot of time downstairs, and so to have to like go back upstairs or just go like in some random closet, it's just not functional for me. So just to have a drawer in the kitchen for her would be the most functional for me. And then a drawer that I just store some of like my other hosting things as well too. So yeah, we're gonna have a lot of little categories in these drawers. I just want to clean everything out, see what I have, throw things that I don't need away, and just get these drawers together because they are stressing me out. When I tell y'all I am tired, I'm tired. I'm done. I'm fighting. I have a little bit left in me to finish these upper like cabinets. This cabinet, honestly, it ain't getting done. You know why? Because I look in here and there's no crumbs or anything, nothing like that. It's just a bunch of glassware that I use pretty often. I like to drink out of glasses. I don't really care to drink out of like plastic cups or styrofoam cups or solos. I mean, I will, but I like the art of a glass, a good glass, okay? Like, come on, save the environment, care about the environment. We're done. The kitchen looks good. I am very happy with how it came out. I needed this decluttering because it just was honestly overdue and things were getting a little out of hand. It just was not functional. And to be quite honest too, I feel like because my kitchen was not like in order and functional for me and my liking, I wasn't as inspired to cook like I usually do because things were just not as functional as I typically like them. Anyway, I'm glad that everything is functional now. It makes sense, it looks good, it feels good. Next, we gotta hit this pantry because this pantry is a mess. And to be quite honest, I hate the wire shelving. Like, it gotta go. It gotta go, it's not cute, it's not my style, and we gotta get rid of it. So we're doing the pantry next, so stay tuned for that episode.